Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. All things appear and are clear without being confused. The secret that reaches the end is the pathway of our minds. From the primordial, we have reached the end of our rewards. Nothing is left in the mouths of those who seek and those who propitiate. As for the true nature of the bodhicitta, it is a clear light that is totally free from ideas. We reach the end of cause and result. We are spontaneously perfected. The good things that we desire are naturally clean. Without traveling, we reach the end of Buddhahood. We do not count any 5 paths or 10 levels. As for the attributions we make with our ideas, we want to attain an arrival at some end by traveling. The supreme level of uncontrived wisdom is not to be attained through the karma of strife. The level that we do not study is spontaneously realized. It is not an object for us to study or travel for. In the sure transmission of this secret contemplation, the bringing together of all heart essences is supreme among the secrets. No one is left out from the total gathering of the dharmas. As for the Upadesha instructions that reach the end of our contemplations, we settle into our uncontrived natural state. Then, without any contemplation, our awareness reaches its end. This is a contemplation that does not change. It is a river of happiness. There is nothing that we consider to be certain or to be permanent. We do not take a meditation time to be something serious. We do not meditate. We cut through our distractions. When we enter the river of unmoving stability, we will not be distracted. This is primordial Buddhahood. Self-luminous awareness is not a consciousness. Our awareness that does not contemplate is perfected in its own space. Gurus explain their degree of warmth to anyone who lives anywhere. Then they cut through our consciousness, whatever it may be. This is a transmission of the perfection of 100 things at one time. We abide forever in the space that equals the sky. Some have determined that there is no virtue or evil. They do not visualize any expansion or contraction of the secrets. The awareness that we touch and meet with is a mind that is clear. It is pure like the sky. It is not contrived. If we contrive it, we live in a city of attributions. Awareness that is free from contemplations is low class.